Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we complete our basic Git commands. Here is now online Git repository. So as we are done with everything from our local level, plus in our local repository, now how to push that our code online so that it's safe as we wanted. So it's very straightforward. So to do that, just go to your sign into your GitHub account, and then here you will see these things. Just click on these plus, and then I hope you can see that. Just click on these plus so that you can create a new repository. So click on new repository. So as you click there, just enter the name of your repository. So let me just call it online repository. So as you can see, the online repository is available, so it's possible. You can even add a description. So this is my first online repo. So that's it, and we are done. You can even choose, will that be public or private? Okay, here as you can see, anyone, if it's public, anyone on internet can see this repository, but you choose who is going to commit. But when it's private, you can choose who wants to see the commit, but sometimes you need to pay some money in order to work with this private. But okay, but of course you can choose it if you want. Let's go forward. Let's just choose it to be public, but normally it should take it to be private. So okay, initialize this repository with, okay, you can skip these steps, add a readme file. You can just read more about what is that all about, and then either check it or not. And that's just create your repository, as you can see there. So we see that we are now in our account called online repository. Just read through this step. As you can see, they say create new repository on the command line, and okay, we did all this thing, we did our commit. And then now the second thing that we are going to do, please, is just to copy this link, this line. If you want, normally, as you are going to, first of all, let's go and see what is that all about. So copy this. As you are going to create your first repository, copy this, because you are all done with this commit. So now just copy this command, and then go to your terminal where you initialize everything, or where you work for the previous tutorial, and then just paste that command. So you are adding our online repository. So when we are going to push, where are we going actually to push that? So we are going to push that here in our this online repository.git. So here we are adding a remote online repository, and that's fine. So just enter this second one at the command line, and then paste git push -u origin. So let us enter master. So it will ask you for, so now we want to push that our local repository to an online Git repository. So to do that, you just enter git push -u origin master. Since our branch, we were working on a branch master branch. So the minus u option will not be discussed in the scope of this course, but that's fine. It works like this. So that's how you are going to push our code online. So here it asks to enter your username for your GitHub account. So there, this is the username that you are going to enter. So I'm just going to copy that and then just paste that here, and then it will of course ask you for the oh, as you can see there, I made a mistake. So let's just restart it back. So just enter your username, that is, as I was showing you, is worker in my case, worker paper Joel. Please, there are no spaces, and then you just put your password that you created your GitHub account with. So here I'm entering my password, and then the thing is actually pushing that code online. Now going back online, if we refresh this page, let's refresh the page and see what happens. Wow, you can see that we have everything online. This template folder with a test that code, remember. So that is it, our code is now online. So that's how it actually works, and it's very straightforward. So, and everything is there, it's fine. So it's there forever, unless you delete your account. So even if your computer crashes, then this code will still be there, and you can clone it from another computer to from anywhere and so on. So that's how it works. So this is actually the link. So now let's assume that if you want to, like, let's just say clone this repository, it's very straightforward. Clone means is taking our code online now to our local machine. So let me just create a directory here. Called clone clone, and then let me move into that clone directory, and then just say git init. That will be fine, and then git clone. You just copy this link for this our online repository. This is the name, but you're going to put explicit name, of course. So, and then just enter there. The thing will clone, and you see everything is just fine. Now if you go there, you see this clone folder, and it clones around that directory, online Git repository, and we have all the code there. So that's fine. So hope guys you enjoy this final tutorial on Git and GitHub to move forward in this course. So as we are going forward, each time you modify your source file and so on, please make sure you push your code online as we said, as we saw. So it's very important to always keep your code online, because we don't know, your computer may crash this or something else. So hope guys you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next. Bye.